How to scan a document or photo from your HP printer to PC in Windows 8. You can scan documents and photos from your HP printer to a Windows 8 computer in 3 simple ways. First, turn on your printer or scanner. Place the document or photo you want to scan on the scanner glass or automatic document feeder if available. Scan using the HP Printer Assistant or HP Scan utility. You can use the software that comes with your HP printer to scan documents and photos. You can also download the latest software for your specific printer model from hp.com/support. On your computer, right-click the lower left corner of the screen to open the menu, and then click Search. Click Apps if not already selected. Type HP and the model number of your printer, and then click the icon with your model number listed to open the HP software. Under the Scan section, click Scan a document or photo. When the Scan dialog opens, adjust any settings you want to change, and then click Scan. Preview the final image. Adjust any desired settings, and then click Save. In the Save As prompt, choose where you want to save the file, and then click Save. The software scans the image and saves the file. When the scan is complete, the folder where you saved the file will open. To view the saved image, double-click the file from the folder. Scan using devices and printers in Windows. Search Windows for devices and printers, then select Devices and Printers from the results. Right-click your printer, and then click Start Scan from the list. Click Change to choose your printer or scanner. Select your printer or scanner from the list, then click OK. Change the scanning profile to match what you are scanning. Change your scanning source if necessary. Change any other desired scan settings. Click Preview to make sure your scan is positioned correctly. Click Scan to scan and save your photo or document. At the Import Photos and Videos prompt, choose your import options. You can click the More Options link to change where to save scans, how to name saved scans, and other options. Click Next. Click Import to import the scanned document to your computer. To view your saved scan, double-click the file from the window that opens. Scan using Windows Fax and Scan. Note: scanning to Windows Fax and Scan is only available for USB-connected printers and scanners. Search Windows for Fax, then select Windows Fax and Scan from the results. Click New Scan. If prompted, select your printer or scanner from the list, then click OK. Change the scanning profile to match what you are scanning. Change your scanning source if necessary. Change any other desired scan settings. Click Preview to make sure your scan is positioned correctly. Click Scan to scan and save your photo or document. To view your saved scan, double-click the file from the list of saved scans. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.